Well, talking of Pranab Mukherjee, the Prime Minister today did say that he had ordered the IB to investigate the bugging incident and that the matter is now closed. But we do have with us Mr. S.K. Gupta, former Joint Director of the Intelligence Bureau, the person who actually investigated the reports of so-called bugging. So thank you so much for joining us. Just tell us what exactly is it that your own investigation found. When you look back at it, when you studied it further, what to your mind was the substance that was actually found there?
It was some adhesive which was off-white in color. It looked like chewing gum, but only forensic analysis can exactly tell what material it was. So it had very little sticking power. The adhesivity was very less when the checks were carried out. When it was fresh material, what was the stickiness? That it is very difficult to predict unless we know which material was that, and then we again try that material.
No, so the big question, sir, is that whether it was actually chewing gum or not, because that is one of the explanations that's come. The other explanation, obviously, that there was bugging that was taking place. To your mind, was it chewing gum?
I think it could be chewing gum, it could not be chewing gum. So if the theory says it was chewing gum, I will disagree with that.
Okay, but can you at least say something definite on whether, to your mind, this was an attempt to bug the office of the Finance Minister?
Vikram, if you ask my view as a professional, such a crude method will never be used by a professional person. This material was so crude that it would not have held any device maybe for more than half an hour. So it was a very, very crude method which was used, maybe to create a little panic, but not for actual bugging.
All right, sir. So to your mind, when you look at there were 16 of these items or objects or whatever they were found. So do you think, to your mind, this would have had to be an inside job? Is that what you found when you went in to investigate?
No, definitely somebody who had access in all the rooms. Because it is not in one room. The person could have an outsider could have access into one room, but here in 4 rooms it was found. So definitely have a person. To my view, it has to be insider who had free access to all the rooms.
Okay, are you somewhat surprised, as the rest of us were, that you were called in to investigate this in the first place and not the Intelligence Bureau in the first place?
First call when I received, I was. But then maybe I thought somebody has recommended my name based on my vast experience. So if MOF wants my services, so in the national interest, why should I not do it? So that is how I agreed to take up this assignment.
All right, sir, thank you so much for joining us with that perspective and for shedding some light on what continues to be a rather contentious issue now.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.